Number 9 on the sheet. Okay, so this one we are factoring, and the first thing I notice is that there's an equal sign. Okay, when I factor and there's an equal sign, I have to do something about it because when we factor, everything's on the same side. Okay, like a standard form. So the very first thing I'm going to do is subtract this so they can be on the same side. So I end up with 225x to the 4th minus 169 equals 0. Now I can factor. Okay, so from here, I notice that it is a binomial, not a trinomial. I have an A and I have a C, but I don't have a B to factor it. And again, it's a binomial. So another option would be that it's the shortcut for difference of squares. So for it to be difference of squares, these two have to be perfect squares. So that difference of squares works. Okay, remember at the end, my answer will be 1 plus and 1 minus for difference of squares. So for that, I'm going to get the square root of each. Okay, so if you can enter this in the calculator by pressing the control key and the key that has an x squared on the top. Okay, and on the top of that, you'll see the little square root. So if you press control that and then type into 25, enter, it'll give you 15. Okay, for letters, to get the square root of a letter, you just have the exponent. So x to the 4th would be x squared when the square root is done. Square root of 169 is going to be 13. Okay, so that's one of your answers. That's the minus. And the plus will be the same, except with the plus. And then you're done.